Kane is in the building.
Yeah. And she keep telling me, you know you the shit. Ladies, throw your hands up, that's if you the shit. Walk up in the club and they knew I was the shit. Shitting on everybody that's up in this bitch. Yeah. You know you the shit, you the shit.
It's the type of shit you do, you know.
You know you the shit.
It's the type of shit you do when you the shit.
You know you the shit. You know you the shit.
Nice.
I know I'm the shit.
Pledge allegiance to the shit, hands where your hearts are. Matter of fact, salute the shit, hands where your parts are. Still make a fucking movie, girls know what their parts are. I get brain in the whip, who needs a smart car? Call me when it's real beef, fuck all of this tartar. Niggas don't touch keys except for when they start cars. They just talking out they ass, those are fart bars. I bring the toaster wherever you Pop-Tarts are. Play with funeral, get your ass buried. You should shut your fruity ass up, raspberry. Just got that Rolls Royce, so this black man got bitches chasing a ghost. Miss Pac-Man, I know y'all listening. I trace all taps. I'm buying Audemars to match my baseball caps. White and navy joint, let's watch the Yankees. I'm getting big deposits, you getting bank fees. You little niggas just remember that you ain't me. Write your award speech, don't forget to thank me. Yeah, and what am I to do now? They tryna beat me on wax, these fucking Madame Tussauds.
Nice. And you know I'm the shit. And you know it don't matter what you think about it, bitch. Cause ain't nobody like me. Ladies asking questions like trigger one knife, please.
Ain't nobody getting married, but I am the best man. I will be the greatest, I can accept nothing less than. I had 8 of them, and that's just in this section. They all swallow and gobble, call it digestion. Woman dance on my sack, call it dick onyx. The shit read lips till it's hooked, don't vomit. I'm a bragger, you shawty, you know I probably had her. I'm a porn star, she's a ghetto gagger. Rockin' platinum, I never got the plaque. Still I dropped 30 grand up the sacks, I made it out, nigga, you know how the hood be. I got the